All right. Hello, everyone. This is the video walkthrough for the assignment Create a Teespring merch store and link it to your business website. This is the final assignment concerning our card website. The objective is to create a basic Teespring merch store with branded products designed on Canva. Integrate the store into your existing business website built on card for cohesive brand awareness. The most simple way of putting that is we are going to add a button in our card website. That's the only thing we're going to really do in the card website. This button is going to take users to what's called a Teespring merch store, which Teespring, which I'm about to share, it is a print on demand service. These are very popular and widely used by entrepreneurs today. What this does is they have mugs, t-shirts, hats, I think vinyl records, sweaters, sweatshirts, polos, in any kind of merchandise item that you could think of that you might put a brand logo on. Now, what's really great about doing it print on demand is that you don't have to have inventory. And you don't have to buy potentially a lot of products that you maybe never end up selling. You only pay for that which you sell, which is really beautiful. And it's kind of similar to like drop shipping. And with like other products, sometimes we get products like from China, and we're able to like drop ship to other places in America where, in other words, entrepreneurs today don't actually have to have that inventory at their home or wherever it is, like a storage shed, which is kind of a more classic way of doing like merchandising and selling products. So anyways, that's what we're going to do. We're going to set up a Teespring merch store. That's kind of the bigger part of this assignment. And then the easy part is just creating that button in Bubble or in Card and linking it to Teespring. So first of all, you can click the link here to the Teespring website. I'll go ahead and do that again. I have two instances of it open, but I'm going to actually go ahead and, first of all, you can see create products, engage fans, make money, turn your ideas into physical and digital products that fans will love. So really great. Log in. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the create account set up. So I'll create an account. I have a few. I don't think I've used this one though before. Okay. Let me see if I can do that on my phone real quick. Verify email. Okay. Email successfully verified. I'll refresh the page and I should be good. Okay, great. So you might have to do that. And then click, you can search around what they have, but just for sake of time for the video, I'll go ahead and begin by clicking create product. And now it took me to, you can see here, this is where I'm browsing all of the products they have. Bestsellers, apparel, you can see all the different kinds of apparel, hats, digital products, home and decor, wall art, drinkable, pillows. You can get your brand logo on a pillow, blanket, bath, puzzle. You can have like a jigsaw puzzle with your brand or image. So really cool stuff. I'm going to go ahead and go with a hat. So if I just pick this really simple hat, and then I'm going to, as simple as this, upload a document, an image, a PNG would be best. PNG is typically best. Okay. All right. And then nice, I can't really resize it because you can see that's the maximum place that I can. So that's as big as it can get, which is a good size. And then continue. And then now I'll just add a name, digital tech hat. This is the awesome digital tech hat for those in the class. Okay, and then you can change the price. Maybe $35 is a little bit much. Maybe it's a little low, but it sounds like much. I might do like $29.99. Maybe get a few more sales that way. Hard to say. But you can also see here how it's really great because it will give you your profit per sale. So you can really, actually, once you design this, really start selling them too, which is really cool. Yeah, and which is really great. And you can see here how tools and services, listings, stores, it will show you analytics up here where all your sales come, and you can put it right in your bank account. And it's really great that way. So really amazing. My store, add to existing store. I didn't create a store yet, so that's going to end up being the name of the store, which is okay. I'll have to go back and change that later, which is fine. But let's launch listing. Okay, view listing. Loading. While that loads over here, I want to go back to the instructions real quick. So first of all, Teespring setup, log in Teespring, navigate to Teespring, log in, create your account. We just did that. Create a product, choose start designing and select at least one type of merchandise. Simple design, quickly create a simple design. We did that. Upload your image onto, that's where simple design. So I did that logo. If you don't have a logo already, you might create one in Canva. And then number 4, upload your design to Teespring, adjust its position on the merchandise. We just did that. So now we're about to have this and we need to set up the store, part B. Come on. I might just go back to here and let's see here. So now I need to go to home and I go to, well, actually listings. Okay. And now this is where I want to, stores. Stores is where we need to go. Edit store. So first of all, change the name, Digital Tech Store. Just to be clear, this is now part B, if you're following along in the instructions of the assignment. So the Digital Tech Store. My store name for now is going to end up being that. I believe you can change it, but that is okay if it ends up being looking something like that for the URL. But Digital Tech Store. Now is what we're going to need to do is we just need to add a few things here, as you can see in the instructions. We will add storefront creation, create a store. We did that already. Store details, fill in the store name. Just did that. Description and any other relevant information. Add products, hero banner. So we have created the one product already. So now we'll add a hero banner. And we can do that by this navigation bar, hero banner right here. Basic, select image. And I don't think I have a good image for this at this point, but for sake of time, I'm just going to use this, which I don't think is going to really look that great. But yeah, see, that's not going to look great, but you want that to ultimately, you want to find something that's going to fit in there. And we're going to be looking, that's part of the grade for part B of this assignment, is to have a headline image there. Again, I don't have a really good one looking there just for sake of time right now, but we're getting close here with this store. So what else do we need? We actually have the product. So storefront creation, we created it. Store details, we give it the name. Add products and hero banner. The only other one that I would love to see, which is not on there, you don't need to really add it, but like right here, you can add a logo for up there and it's gonna look real nice. Yeah, see, that looks nice. So you might consider doing that. I guess that one's optional. Okay. But let's see. I think we're getting ready to part C here. Part B, we've created the store. Here's our store. Again, I gotta click save. Okay. Now I have to go back to stores once more. And where is my store? It's loading. Okay. Update name. See, I didn't click update name before. So Digital Tech Store. There we go. Update name. Okay, that should do it. And save. Saving. There we go. That's it. All right. So now that we've done that, we are ready to copy this. If we click it, it takes us here. Internet is being slow. I apologize for that. All right, so here we are at the store. Again, that hero banner for this one's not great, but imagine a better one. And now we can actually see our products, and we can actually add to cart and make a purchase. So pretty cool, pretty fun. Or view cart. Internet's being slow, sorry about that. I have 2 of them in here. So anyways, that is our digital text store, but this is not the link we want. We want this link, the one that is here, okay? The one that's there, okay? Now, if I go back to my card website, now I'm in card. This is part C of the assignment, log into card. Now what I'm going to do is I currently have the button here, join the early email list. I'm going to add a button right below it, and I'll show you how it is I'm going to do that. My button first appears all the way down at the bottom. I need to drag it all the way up. I'll first put it below the container, and now you can see where it's at. It's down here, but I want it to be right there, or right below there. So I will bring it up here until I see the green line right below. Right? Okay, good. And then I like that margin. If I wanted to change the margin, I could. I could make it bigger or closer. But like, let's say I want it right at 0.25. Right there. That's actually pretty close. I'll do a little bit more. Sorry. Yeah, that's a little better. Okay, that's good. Now this button, what shall I call it? Let's call it Shop Now or Merch. You could do Merch Store, whatever you'd like to do. Shop Now. Whichever one, I'll go with Merch Store. But then here's where we will take this and delete it and paste that link from our store. Okay, done. Now I will save here, publish changes, publishing, view site. Okay, now let's test Merch Store, and it should take us right to our store. Again, the internet is being slow, which is very unfortunate. All right, and here we are on the store. Sorry, the internet was being slow, so I cut it. But there we are at the store. So that was part D, the testing, right? So for deliverables, 2 things. Just a link to your updated card website in comments, and a link to your Teespring store in the website URL slot. So if I do view as student, like I'm going to submit this, and I do start assignment, I would go over to my store here. This is the front page of my store, and that would go in this submission slot. And then I will go to my website, but not this link. This link would not work, and you'd start off with a 0 and have to resubmit. So I'll do publish changes just to get back to it. Now I can either copy this right here, or I can click view site and copy it up here. And then that goes in the comments, okay? And submit. And as always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. I am more than happy to help and be a resource. So good luck with this one. And as I said, it is the last one for the card website. All right, so best luck and good luck this week. I will see you next time.